What's up, everybody? It's Friday, January 31st, and I just got my first Grubhub order of the night. I'm headed to Red Robin. It's a pretty decent order, $22 order, so it's an awesome way to get started. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. This is Super Bowl weekend, but I probably won't have this posted before the Super Bowl. But I hope everyone had a good Super Bowl weekend. They stayed safe, didn't have any issues there, and made lots of money if you're out delivering. I am working until like 10:30 tonight, so it should be a pretty good night. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, I just got to Rocco's Pizza. It's off to a steady start. Things were kind of slow in the beginning, but back-to-back orders now that we're moving. I'm gonna mark that I arrived, and I'm going to pick up one pizza, so that should be pretty easy. I know that tomorrow I'll be delivering as well, but I'm only have 2 hours tomorrow with Grubhub, so I'll probably be doing Uber Eats and Postmates tomorrow, which I'm looking forward to. I haven't used them much this week. I'm gonna go run inside, grab this food. Oh, one other thing I wanted to mention is in this video, I plan to talk about why I deliver and give you a background. So more to come on that. Stay tuned. When I was making that Rocco's order, I got an offer for $7 for this restaurant that I never heard of. And I was like, nah, I can't take that. It's too busy this time of night. So I rejected it. And literally this was on a 5-minute delivery. So that drop-off was very close to the restaurant. I ended up getting another order for I think like 12 or 13, somewhere in that range, but a much better offer, a restaurant I've been to before. So I went ahead and took that order. I'm really glad I rejected that first one. As you know, I worked really hard to get to Premier, so I have to be careful with how many orders I do reject. But on a Friday night, I can't be taking no $7 order during the busiest part of the night. I'm gonna run in and grab this food, and then I'll hopefully get the chance to update you about why I deliver. I just did a first order when you get here type of thing with Grubhub. I called the restaurant because it said, literally when I got the order, it says here's some best tips, and it says call the restaurant and place the order ahead of time. So I did that. They said it would be a 40-minute wait, and I did confirm with the customer they want to wait that long. So I just turned on Uber Eats because it's 40 minutes. I'm not going to go to the restaurant right now. I'm hoping I could get an order, maybe even two, depending on how far the delivery is, and go from there. So going into detail about why I deliver, it happens to be that my wife and I are in debt, and I make okay money, but we do struggle financially. So I'm over here trying to get ahead. So that's essentially, long story short, why I go out and deliver. So my YouTube channel, I plan to expand on this, but I want to make videos about how to make money and boost someone's income. I'm planning to do some selling on Amazon/eBay, and even some maybe some stock videos potentially. I know day trading's a big thing with all the new apps coming out now, and getting free apps and stuff just for or getting a free stock just for signing up. So I'm probably going to do something with that. And then if you didn't see my comment about a giveaway, once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to make a video explaining I'm about to do my first giveaway. This is how you enter, and we'll go from there. I mean, I really love seeing all the likes and comments on my channel. It makes me want to go out and make videos, and it just shows that how much the community supports me. So I want to give back. So like I said, I'm a little over halfway there. I know we could do it. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, but you're interested in seeing some sort of giveaway from me soon, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So I did end up getting an Uber Eats order for McDonald's. I just arrived, and based off when I placed that order for food, I've got about 30 minutes wait until it'll be ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one Uber Eats order and then head to the restaurant. That way, if it is done any earlier, I could just grab the food and go. So I'm gonna run inside real quick. I changed it so I'm no longer accepting offers with Uber Eats. Go do this order and head over to the other restaurant for Grubhub. Alright, that Grubhub order and pay went pretty well. I didn't have any issues, although I did hear them saying, we don't take Grubhub, but they swiped like amongst themselves. But they did end up swiping the card and it went through, so hey, it worked out. I did get another order and pay order for this burger restaurant, but it was a low paying offer. It was like an $8 offer. I'm not going to do an order and pay for something low like that. So I turned on Uber Eats because I wasn't getting anything after that, and I just got an order right away for Panda Express. So I'm going to run inside, try to make this order while I multi-app. Hopefully I'll get something with Grubhub soon. That last customer for my Uber Eats Panda Express order, he gave me a $7 cash tip. It was literally like a 10-minute delivery, and I got paid $4 from Uber to do that, so I got an $11 pay in roughly 10 minutes. It was super easy, close by when I accepted it, close by drop off, and some awesome pay. So that's awesome. Shout out to that customer. Grubhub, my next block starts at 9 and it's 8 p.m. now. It's been kind of slow, and I've rejected quite a few orders tonight. I can't really afford to reject any more offers if I want to stay at the premium level. So I turned Grubhub off, and right now I have, I'm turning on Postmates. I do have Uber Eats still on, but I am at Target. I had to use the bathroom, so right now I'm just waiting for an order there. I'll keep you updated. Hopefully things will stay busy. So I just got a Chipotle order, which is awesome because it's actually in the Target Plaza. It's right over there. You can't see it, but that building that says Spectrum on the side, next to the Spectrum is Chipotle. So I'm right there. I turned Uber Eats off. Postmates is super easy with Chipotle. The order is always ready when you get there. But I did turn off Uber Eats because the map did show pretty far, so it looks like a pretty far drop off. I'm gonna go do this order. Depending on what time it is, I'll either turn Grubhub back on or turn Uber Eats back on. After I dropped off that Chipotle order, I ended up turning Grubhub back on because it was like, I think like 8:40 and I was just out in the middle of nowhere. I did get a Burger King order with Grubhub, so I just grabbed all that food. Gonna mark that I got the order and I'm leaving. Let's see, it is how far of a trip?
We're all set. Drive safely.
It's only 8 minutes away, so it's not too bad.
Then turn left.
I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off real fast because it's already 10 after 9, and I hope to get a few more orders in before my night ends. Things are still busy. I just got to Taco Bell for another Grubhub order, and it's only 9:30, so it's only been like 20 minutes since picking up that last order. I'm gonna run inside, grab the food real quick, and my shift is supposed to end at 10:30, so I'm thinking I'll get another order after this. 9:50 p.m. And I just rejected a Grubhub order for Taco Bell because it was like 7 miles away from where I am. It's pretty late at night and I'm relatively close to home, so I didn't feel like driving in that direction for that far of an order, especially because it was only like a $9 order. It wasn't anything crazy. So I'm gonna just wrap things up, I think. I've been out for about 5 hours now. So I'm going to do a quick earnings update. So I'm going offline right now with Uber Eats. I made $12.48 plus a $7 cash tip, so $19.50 with 2 orders. That's pretty good. With Postmates, I made $8.01 with 1 order. And then this order I did the other day I want to talk about real quick. It says $5.10 because I did end up getting a $2 tip. That was the what's the name of it? The crepe and waffles or something like that. And And I reached out to Postmates on it, and they did say, yeah, our wait time for you was calculated incorrectly. So they also gave me $2.15 extra deposited into my account. So that's super awesome. But anyways, $8 plus the, what was it? $19 is $27 or something like that. And then for my earnings with Grubhub, I made $95, $94.99. My acceptance rate is pretty low tonight, though, so that's not good. I hope that doesn't come back to bite me. It was only 3 orders, so that's not that bad, actually. I think I'll be okay. But overall, I made like $122 or something tonight, so pretty good night. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later. Peace.